Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. Merry Christmas. I got to participate in the most fun Advent calendar I've ever done, and that is Peace Craft Dolls with Tammy Powley, J Dolls UK, and Beth Ramsden and I each sent one another 8 items. 8 times 3 is 24. We had 1 item to open the 1st through the 24th. These are the items that I received, and I wanted to show you them on the dolls, excuse me, and the little top that I made. I am ecstatic. I'm going to point out real quick, fast as I can, these items I got that don't go on a doll, but Beth, wait till you see. I've been wanting a doll house or a doll room or a doll something. And thanks to you and the little push, wait to the end and see where this is hanging. Tammy sent me this pattern with this fabric. Excuse me, my throat's dry. And so I made this little top, and I added a little bit here, and we'll show you that in just a minute what I had done, which lengthened the sleeves a little bit. But the American Girl, this is a Pleasant Company doll, and they are more plump, more like football players. So I needed to add a little bit to the pattern around here. Would I do it different next time? I might. But Tammy, did that not work out so cute? And I never waste any fabric, and I only had a fat quarter. This calls for a ½ yard. So I moved my pattern around and moved it around till I could get the shirt all cut out with the extra on it. And then I was able to make 2 little mini dresses, mini Blythe, and 1 little midi skirt. And I love that, Tammy. Yeah, I will. That's just ocean waves to me from Florida. This doll, Blueberry, is wearing the adorable little bag that J Dolls UK gave me, along with the headband from J and shoes from Tammy. It just worked out so cute. And then Golda Rose has on not only the skirt that Beth sent, but also look at the balloons on that. I love those hair clips. I absolutely love those hair clips. I love everything, make no mistake. Then we have, yeah, I forgot about that, didn't I? I put the fat cats on my American Girl doll. And then there was another one here. Tell you what, Beth, you could have sent 8 of those. They're so whimsical in their hair. That one has the little gifts on it and the little bag from Tammy. Also, this adorable, this is kind of, I told Tammy it's kind of her signature fabric. Peace Craft Dolls is the name of her channel, and of course there's a rainbow heart. I absolutely love it. And then Vicky is wearing the whole outfit from J Dolls UK. I wish I had thought to do this, Jay. This is just genius. She sent a little note with the hat saying that she made it from a pattern from Octopuddin Channel. That's Sarah. If you crochet and you have dolls, or even if you don't, Sarah's channel is for you. She goes stitch by stitch, shows you how to do it. Jay sent these little, aren't these the cutest little whimsical earrings? I love them. And she also handcrafted the little top. I got her elbow funny there, so it's laying funny. It's not the sweater, it's the person who can't pose dolls very well for photos. Jay made this absolutely adorable skirt. This print on this skirt is so small and different. I really like that. It's Christmas but different. Jay also sent these boots. Now, this is what I did when I laid out the pattern for this doll, in case you're using this pattern for a Pleasant Company doll. Just remember that you need to cut the sleeves a little shorter, because the little area here being wider gave the sleeves more length, and I didn't think about that. Also, I did lengthen my collar piece. I just want to say again, Tammy, Beth, Jay, you are some of YouTube's best. And I mean that from the bottom of my heart. This was so much fun. You ladies just went overboard with your little gifts. I'm thrilled. Thank you so much. I also want to thank so many of you came and watched every single day on every single channel of our Advent calendar. And we really honestly appreciate that. We always appreciate your likes and comments too. So in the meantime, we bought a fixer-upper Blythe house that I am over the moon to have. I have to thank Beth Ramsden for pushing me forward on that because of the little stocking, wreath, and Christmas tree around the new 3D printed with a wood top mantle that Darren made. I absolutely love it. Check out this little stand that Darren made for this tree. Isn't that the cutest? Okay, here are my girls. And this one has on, let me move the little pug. This one has on, this is Birdie, and she has on the dress from Tammy. I absolutely love it. The purse, these adorable little hair bows. Oh, Beth, I love those clips. And then Bluebird has on the hair headband from Jay, as well as the little bag that Jay made, and the shoes from Tammy. And they've got this out there sharing photos. And that was from Tammy. And then Beth made this adorable little skirt. And we have another one. I love these balloons. We have another little hair clip here on Golda Rose. Let's see. I think that's all. And then I showed earlier in the clip my American Girl doll. And then over here, let's see. I don't think there's anything here from the Advent, but I do want to show it off. I have him sitting here and shouldn't. This is going to be a little sewing playroom. And we have a little train set up, and that's supposed to represent the board that we always set our little trains on. Tina from Tina's Reborns made this adorable little dollhouse. Look at this furniture I found at Dollar Tree. There's a bed, a couple chairs, I think, a little bitty couch, and the little chair. Isn't that cute? And then the dog here is from Tammy. And then J Dolls UK made this whole outfit and gave me these earrings to match. The hat, she said she used Octopuddin, which is Sarah's tutorial on Octopuddin's channel. And the little, she made the little sweater. I love this skirt and the print, and she sent those shoes. The dog was from Tammy. And as I said, these were all from Beth. I am over the moon. Let me show you the kitchen while we're here. This is a little fixer-upper, and it'll change from time to time, but I absolutely love my kitchen, my stove. Oh, I love my little Blythe house. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. I hope you are having an absolutely wonderful Christmas. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.